video, I shared with you that 3 copyright strike will terminate your channel, and this is true. If you've experienced this, do well to tell us in the comment section, and if you haven't, do not wish to experience it because it is not a nice thing to experience. So guys, in this particular video, I want to share with you different ways you can actually get rid of copyright strike. Yes guys, it is possible for you to get rid of them. There are different ways. So the first on our list, guys, is appeal. Like, that's the main thing. That's the first thing. You get to appeal. No, rather, I would say the first on our list is to abstain from getting a copyright strike. It is not a nice thing. You shouldn't even wish to have one. Getting a copyright strike is very tedious because once you have it, you will be restless because you'll be wondering maybe your next move is going to get you another strike. And imagine getting 3 strikes in 90 days. That is the end of your channel, and it takes 50-50 chance for you to get your channel back to you. So the first thing is to avoid getting a copyright strike. The second will be appealing. There you get to appeal to the YouTube itself and hoping that they will accept your appeal and withhold the strike. But if they don't, then I'm sorry, dear friends. As long as it's not up to 3 copyright strike, you can continue with your posting. It's not going to affect your views. It's not going to affect your subscriber count. Just do well to post and make sure to always follow the community guidelines. Always follow the YouTube policy. This is to avoid you getting another strike, at least in the space of 90 days, because 3 strikes equals channel termination. To appeal to the YouTube, there and then you have to wait. I think it takes a period of I think from the moment you send it, it takes a period of 24 hours and above, right? So from the day you send it, there are times they get to send an automatic mail, and once they send you that mail, it is sad. It means that they're literally not going to look at it again. You just have to bear the strike. You bear the strike and make sure to attend the copyright school, and after attending the copyright school, always make sure to avoid anything that will lead you to a copyright strike. Remember, these strikes are not given to you because YouTube is being unfair to you. It's either you an offense, or I'll put it to be they're trying to just put you in the YouTube jail, for instance, like to avoid you cursing in the YouTube app, like the community itself. So most times when you get to receive a copyright strike, don't see it to be that YouTube is being unfair to you. I mean, they are protecting their own, right? So just make sure you always avoid anything that will lead you to get a copyright strike. Just as the name implies, copyright, we all know what copyright is. So getting a strike, it's not good. Okay, so that's the first, that's another way you can actually avoid having a copyright strike on your channel, like letting it stay there. You appeal. Right now, this time around, we're appealing to YouTube itself, right? So the second, or rather the third, guys, is appealing to the person or the company, right, or organization that sent a strike to you. Now, this is when you get to reuse someone else's content, right? YouTube frowns at reuse content. That's why most times when you want to even monetize, they get to send to you that this is a reused content. So you now have to send an appeal video that this is not a reused content. You claim it because you know it is your own. That is if you are sure it is your video. So this is now you appealing to the person, the organization that sent you a strike through YouTube. Because yes, YouTube is just like the middleman, right? So it's between you and that person. So when YouTube sends you an email telling you that this person sent you a copyright strike, or asks that this particular video should be removed, and once that video has been removed, you will get a strike. Okay, don't get it wrong, guys. There are times where you see a copyright in most videos or shorts. That's because you're using someone else's song, and that person has placed a copyright ban on it, or it is restricted to some countries. I believe there are some music we get to use on our channel, and we can see that it will tell us that this music is restricted to this country or that country. So it is limited. That is different. That doesn't mean you have a copyright strike. No. This one I'm talking about, YouTube is going to send you an email that you have a copyright strike. You have 1 strike, or you have 2 strike, or 3. Okay, guys. So once this happens, once YouTube tells you that a video has been pulled down because it is relating to a copyright, okay, then they will tell you that you now have 1 copyright strike. After that, you will see an email where you will send an appeal to that person that has instructed YouTube to take your video down. So the prayer should be, as you're sending an email to that email address, telling them to either plead or to have mercy on you, stuff like that, right? You make sure to pray that they reply your email, because these are people that are very busy. Most times they don't go to their email to check messages like that, because they have other emails that they will respond to quickly that deals with business collaborations and the rest. But if it's something that's relating to your video that you took from them in one way or the other, it only takes the grace of God and the kindness of the person's heart at that moment to reply, and also try to have mercy on the whole thing, because if they don't, that strike is going to remain on your channel till 90 days. So guys, these are the 3 things. 1, you avoid it, or you appeal to YouTube, or you appeal to the person that sent YouTube to take down your video and give you a copyright strike. These 3 things are the only way you can take a strike out of your channel. But if this doesn't work, you just have to go to the copyright school and pray the 90 days comes and goes. Then after that, your channel is free. But if this doesn't work out, and you get to have another strike and another strike, making it 3 strikes in the space of 90 days, then my dear friends, your channel is going to be terminated. Sadly, but it's the truth. So do well to avoid copyright strikes, or whatever it is that will lead you to a copyright strike. I really hope this helps. If you aren't clear on anything, the comment section is always open. Drop a message and I will be available and ready to answer you and help in any way that I can. So as we are on this YouTube space, we are really praying to grow, and to grow in the right way, as we do our best to put out content that will help a lot of people, because YouTube is basically an entertainment space. It is a learning space. It depends on whatever thing you come out there you come to YouTube to do. You either come for the entertainment, or you come for the learning, or you come for the knowledge, which is the same thing. So guys, I will see you in my next video. I really do hope this video helped, and if you liked it, do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.